Hello everyone, this is DM2144. It is a 1995 Nissan Gloria Gran Turismo. This car is being sold through our premium inventory, so mechanically it is good to go. It's been fully serviced, fully detailed, paint corrected, has BC Racing coilovers, these awesome Weds wheels. If you have any questions or if you would like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd be happy to send you pictures or video, whatever you'd like to see. But I'm just going to take you around and show this beautiful thing off to you. Nice and tidy, got some tools over there. Looks like a full-size spare in this one. That's probably why it's sitting up a little bit higher than normal. That's nifty. Under here we have the VQ30DE engine. See the tops of those BC Racing coilovers there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.